All right, I'm going to show you how to use Storage Sense on Windows 11 to automatically clear space on your computer. To use it, we're going to go to Settings first. I'm going to click the Start menu down here and then find Settings, or just type Settings. Or you can hold down the Windows key and press I on your keyboard. That'll also open up your settings. Then on the left side, we're going to go to System. And within System, you're going to click Storage. Then here, under Storage Management, you'll see Storage Sense. And on the right side, there's a simple toggle. You can toggle it on or off. So if it's off, just click it there to turn it on. If you click this button here in the middle, you'll see more options. So on the very bottom, for example, there's a button to run Storage Sense right now. And on top of that, we can configure the schedule for these cleanups. By default, it'll only run when your disk space is running low. But I could, for example, tell my computer to run Storage Sense every week, regardless of my current hard drive status. The other options here are automatically delete files in the recycle bin if they've been there for over a set number of days, as well as automatically deleting files in the Downloads folder if those files have not been opened for a set amount of days. Your recycle bin is probably fine to have automatically clear, but I'd be careful with the Downloads folder. I know a lot of people tend to just toss a lot of important files in the Downloads folder and then go find them when they need them. So be cautious with that option. Also, if you're using OneDrive for your files, you'll usually see an option here for Cloud Content, where you can set your computer to automatically change files to online only if those files have not been opened in your OneDrive for, say, 14 or 30 days. So that is Storage Sense. I'm going to click Run Now just to clear any extra clutter on my computer, and here, I can see that it instantly freed up over 15 gigabytes of storage space on my computer. So, cool little feature, highly recommend turning that on. And of course, this will clean up software update files and that type of clutter. But if you've manually filled up your drive with videos or other large files, it's not going to clear those. Anyways, that's all I got. Click that like button if this video helped, share with a friend who needs to turn this on, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.